Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Roomba. This procedure will help if you're constantly getting the please charge Roomba error, or if your Roomba is short on runtime or charge time. The runtime is usually about an hour, and the charge time is usually about 7 hours. 2 to 7 hours. And, of course, like always, there's my dog barking. So first, you're going to want to take out your Roomba's dustbin. And then flip your Roomba over. And you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew these screws. So first, unscrew your side brush screw. And then lift your side brush out. And then there are 4 bit screws right here that you use to unscrew the battery cover. So this is screw number 1. Screw number 2. Screw number 3. And last but not least, screw number 4. And then you should be able to lift your battery cover right off. And if you have trouble getting it off, then you probably missed a screw. So then you'll notice the battery and these 2 green tabs. You lift out the battery while using those. And then once you get the new battery, slide it in and push it down until you hear the noise. That indicates that the battery was connected. And then put your battery cover back on and tighten the 4 screws. I kind of had trouble fitting into the screw for a minute there. Yes, I know, Bobby. And then, once the battery cover is screwed back on, slide your side brush back in and tighten that screw. And make sure to hold the side brush so that the side brush doesn't spin when you're trying to screw it back in. And then flip your Roomba back over and slide in the dustbin and turn your Roomba on. And keep in mind that this will reset the clock, as you can see, and this will erase any set schedules from the robot. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like, and peace. And if the low battery problem continues, make sure to call my robot and tell him that you have a low battery and you've tried everything. So, I'll see you in the next one.